DPWH Undersecretary Maria Catalina Cabral confirmed the report circulating on social media in a television interview. Base sa report ng aming programming division, we confirm na yun pong mga amounts na nabanggit ninyo noong 2020, 2021, 2022, base po sa National Expenditure Program, NEP, ng DPWH at yun pong General Appropriations Act, GAA, sa distritong ito ay tama po and we confirm budget. So, naalala niyo na po ba, Undersecretary Cabral?
I guess I fairly remember, Your Honor. I think there was an interview that time.
No, it's just a question of a yes or a no. Do you
Yeah.
remember it or no? Because it's a
Yes, Your
it's an
Honor.
actual quote.
Okay. Yes, Your Honor. Kung ano po.
Yes, what?
Yes.
Yes, you remember or yes, you don't remember?
I don't remember
No, I am
exactly.
confronting you with the actual quote.
Ah.
So the only question there is, do you remember stating that quote or you do not remember stating that quote?
I remember, Your Honor.
You remember stating that quote. And if you remember stating that quote, do you confirm the information in that quote?
That
That you confirm those amounts
if
na
that-
nabanggit, excuse me, let me finish, amounts na nabanggit ninyo noong 2020, 2021, 2022. Base po sa NEP ng DPWH at yun pong GAA sa distritong ito. Therefore, the distrito po of Congressman Paolo Duterte ay tama po and we confirm those budget.
Yes, Your Honor.
Alright.